Right now, it looks like it's possible towards the end of the week, but here's what you got to know for the upcoming week. We've got more triple-digit heat days in store for us. Humidity is on the climb. Today, it was quite dry for this time of the year. Rain does return late week, but it's not going to be for everyone, and there's still time for this to change. But for tomorrow, it's going to be hot, and the humidity is still going to be relatively low. We'll be at a high near 101 in Denton, about 100 in Fort Worth, 100 in Dallas, 101 in Dallas, 100 in McKinney. Factor in the humidity. The relative humidity isn't that high. We're not going to see a super high heat index. It'll be very close to the actual temperature with about 102 for the feels like in Dallas. Over the next several days, triple digits are expected, 3 to 4 degrees above what's considered normal for this time of the year, with 100 degrees on Wednesday, 101 Thursday. Small dip in the temperatures late week into the weekend, and that's all thanks to very small rain chances. We're going 10% coverage come Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It has to do with the increase in humidity and that heat. It can help bubble up some showers and storms. I'm going to take you to Friday, though, because Friday, right along the Red River, close to about 4 in the afternoon, you'll see this kind of dipping into our eastern counties. That's where we're going to see the best potential for rain, mainly east of DFW. Some of that could very well linger into the Metroplex. We'll be watching that, not expecting severe weather. Same thing can happen on Saturday, but this time the western half of North Texas can get in on some of the action as well. All of this possible because of where the heat dome is located. It's primarily to the west of Texas, and because it's to the west, it allows this window of opportunity for very weak disturbances to move into North Texas, and that's also one of the reasons why temperatures are very close to the triple digits, and some of us aren't quite making it there. Right underneath that heat dome, by the way, is where we see all of those heat alerts. Eventually, that heat dome is going to scoot a little bit closer to Texas, and our temperatures are going to really ramp up. But for tonight, we drop to about 78 degrees. It'll still be warm. It'll be humid for some spots, especially east of DFW. Tomorrow, the heat index not a huge factor. Actual temperature close to about 101. And on that 14-day forecast, I do have several opportunities for triple digits, including the next 3 days. We've already seen 11 this year. We could very well add to that. Again, very limited rain chances as we head into a late week, especially during the afternoons. Some of that cloud cover could help shave off a few degrees from those highs. And then as we approach the middle part of August, we're looking at a long string of triple digit heat days as that heat dome closes in. We've got a lot of summer left here over the next couple of weeks.